Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Coco and Mom, and today I am here with another healthy yet exotic recipe of Mexican tacos. I have already shown baked Mexican casserole, cheesy loaded nachos, so I thought why not Mexican tacos. And the best part of this recipe is that we are going to make again non-fried tacos, and I will be showing you two processes of making tacos. One would be our taco shells and another would be our taco cups. So let's get started. Let's start with making home-baked tacos. I have kneaded the soft dough for my tacos using half maize flour and half wheat flour with a pinch of salt and turmeric powder using warm water. And now my dough has rested for half an hour. And I'm taking ball-sized dough and rolling it like small chapati to make medium-sized tortillas. Once all the tortillas are rolled out, I'm pricking them to knock off the extra air which prevents them from puffing, and now smearing in some oil on these tortillas. I have placed 5 tortillas one time on these rack, and now this goes in a preheated oven at 180 degree for 7 to 8 minutes. By doing this process, we don't have to take pressure of giving proper shape to our taco shells. As you can see, our crispy golden brown tacos are out of the oven and we let it cool down now. In case you don't have this type of rack, then you can also take similar pan, put little oil into the cavity, place out the rolled tortillas into this, cover it and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and you can see our quick taco cups are ready. Let's make our refried beans, for which I have heated up oil in a pan, adding in some chopped green chili, ginger and garlic. We saute it and add the chopped onions and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding in some capsicum also for the crunch, which is totally optional. We saute this well, and now goes in some overnight soaked and pressure cooked rajma into this. Now I'm adding up all the dry spices like oregano, taco seasoning, chili flakes, garlic salt, some sugar and mix them all. I'm adding in some fresh tomato puree here, and if you want you can even use ketchup for better flavor. And lastly goes in some boiled corn, and we cook it for another 5 minutes and our refried beans are ready. For our salsa, I have taken chopped tomatoes, spring onion whites, coriander leaf, juice of lemon, some dried parsley, ketchup, some chopped green chilies, adding some sugar, oregano, chili flakes and salt to taste. We mix all these ingredients gently and our quick salsa is ready. I have taken this regular fresh cream and adding in some lemon juice and salt into this, mixing it well, and our sour cream is ready. Let me tell you here, for the vegan option you can use any non-dairy milk or cream and even add cashew nut paste into this and make your dip. Let's assemble our taco shells. Firstly goes in some shredded lettuce, then a generous amount of refried beans, adding up some salsa, spring onion greens, and topping it with some cheese. We do similar layering for our taco cups also, which looks absolutely gorgeous after layering. And our two types of tacos are ready for serving. I have taken my sour cream dip into this piping bag and I'm smearing this dip on the top, and you can see your super delicious and gorgeous tacos are ready in no time, and it's great for any party to serve it to your guest as an appetizer or even as main course. So friends, as you saw, I have shown you a step-wise process of making the taco shells and also the taco cups. So please do give this recipe a try. Even if you have guests coming over, all you need to do is prepare the taco shells in advance, assemble and just serve them. In case you want to see my detailed video on kneading the dough and rolling them out, you can please refer to my nachos recipe, which is up on my YouTube channel. So guys, give this recipe a try and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Coco and Mom and share your pictures on my Instagram handle. Thank you guys.